This is a $50 tripod fluid head that's super compact. It allows you to do cool B-roll such as panning and tilting shots. Not only this thing is tiny, which is good for traveling, but also it's super solid and it's made with pretty much all metal. Hello everyone, today we'll be unboxing the Ulanzi U-190 hydraulic tripod fluid head. It's priced at around $50, super compact, and let's see if it actually does a good job. So open the box. Right away we can see the tripod fluid head. Let's take this out of the box. Oh, it's quite small, but feels very solid in hand because it's made with pretty much all metal. We also have a fully metal rod for the handling the fluid head, but with a really sticky grip. In addition, we have some tools and a screw converter. I believe is from 3/8 to 1/4 or the other way around. So let's take a closer look at the fluid head itself. We have a few knobs, and to be honest, it feels very smooth. You can really feel the hydraulic in action, and of course it's supposed to be smooth, so you can do those really nice tilting and panning shots. And on the top here we have a Aqua Swiss quick release plate, which I'm going to screw this off just like that. I think it also comes with a like a fail-safe system, so if you're not tighten the quick release plate tight enough, the camera is not just going to slide down. Like these two here is supposed to catch it. And another really cool feature of this fluid head is the Allen key. It's tucked away on the side here, so, and using magnet by the way, so you don't have to find extra storage for Allen key or lose it. So right now we're going to attach the quick release plate on my camera here. I'm using the Sony a7 III with the Tamron 28-75G2, the second version. So got myself an Allen key. Just screw this on. Just like that. Nice and tight, but not too tight, so it doesn't damage the camera frame. Alright, so now let's put the fluid head on a tripod. Alright, let's put the fluid head on a tripod. To do that, just screw it on. Very easy. Also, we're going to insert our rod just like that and tightening it with one of the knobs here. Let's get my camera. As you can see, I have the quick release plate attached to the bottom of the camera already. So what I need to do is to place it just like that. You're good to go. As you can see, you can do tilting shot like this, or if you loosen up the bottom knob here, you can do some panning. It feels super smooth. The movement is pretty consistent. You can also combine both the movements to create, some more complex camera movements. Just like that. And if you want to fix the camera, just tighten both the knobs. And you can use this as a regular tripod for still photography. Cool. Right now I'm going to show you the footage I got as well as the POV view of me using the fluid head. As you can see, it's my first try and It's looking pretty fluid and smooth already, since it's got a built-in hydraulic system to make the shots pretty consistent. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe for more cool videos in the future. See you.